Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to go into Play Store and download new app that you want to set up as your default one. In my case, it will be Opera. So I have to pick Opera browser and install it. Then we need to wait. And now I can go into Settings, scroll down and click on App Management. From here, go into Default Apps and select an app that I want to change. In my case, it will be Browser, so I have to click on Browser app over here and tap on Opera. Then go back. As you can see, my default browser app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!